Why do we use the LCM, least common multiple, to find a common denominator? So what's the point of doing the LCM? Well, the point is that it helps us keep the numbers small and manageable. So now this might not seem like a big deal at first, but let me show you an example of why this is important. So let's say I have an example like this, where it is 1/4 plus 1/6. And then let's say you don't find LCM. Let's say you're just trying to find a common denominator, and sometimes maybe you think to yourself, okay, I'm not going to find the LCM, but I know how to find a common denominator. I'll just multiply these guys, and if I multiply them, they'll both have a common factor that goes into it. This is true. This is an excellent truth here. So 4 times 6 is 24. So let me just make the denominator 24. And I know that because I just multiplied 4 and 6 together, I know that 4 can go into 24 and 6 can go into 24. 4 can go into 24 how many times? 6 times, right? And 6 can go into 24 4 times. And now you have this guy. And now you're telling yourself, okay, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 over 24. This is fine. This works. There's nothing wrong with this. However, you want to ask yourself, how often am I going to be able to multiply the denominators together and add the numerators comfortably to get an answer? And now, even though this is the answer, this might not be what is the final answer, because I still have to simplify this. So if I simplify it, I divide the numerator. So in order to simplify 10 over 24, I divide the numerator by 2, the denominator by 2, and then I'll get 5 over 12. Now, if I find the LCM of 4 and 6, I can right away recognize that it's going to be 12. Okay. And when I have that, how many times does 4 go into 12? 3 times. How many times does 6 go into 12? 2 times. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 12. Now, is this step worth doing by just multiplying and doing this? It doesn't really matter, but the point is, when you find the LCM, you'll get it in a way that helps to keep the numbers small and manageable. So dealing with this is definitely better than dealing with this. That's the idea. Doesn't mean this is wrong. This is 100% right. This is also 100% right. I could also do another denominator besides this that's larger, that'll also make me get to 5 over 12, but it's gonna require me to do more simplifying. Whereas when I get the LCM, I'll get the answer right away. Now, even after the fact of getting the LCM, you might still have to reduce, but getting it gets the numbers in a way that is good.